Okay, everybody, let's just face it, these disc brakes just really seem to work so much better than the drum brakes, and, well, I wanted to put one on my homemade mini bike frame project, so I took a regular dual flange hub here. The one hub would be, of course, for the wheel, and then the other hub is for the sprocket, but I wanted to add the disc brake, and all I did was simply add some jam nuts to where the threads stop on a 1.5 inch long bolt, and then I welded the disc right to the top of the bolts. So with a dual flange hub, instead of having just the wheel and the sprocket, or adding the drum brake like in days past, I guess, before this disc brake thing became so popular, the drum brake would mount right up against the sprocket, but the disc brake obviously would have to be away from the sprocket, and, well, I think this is going to work just fine, and it was very easy to do. Like I say, just some jam nuts where the threads stop, and then welding the sprocket, which, lucky for me, lined up pretty nice for to weld it to. I can show it on the mini bike frame here too in a minute.